Hello, everyone. My name is Samuel Hernandez, and today I'm going to talk about my research on the new ramp agent training program at United Airlines in San Francisco International Airport and whether it actually prepares new employees for the realities of working on the ramp. Ramp agents have a really important job in the airline industry. They handle baggage, guide aircrafts, communicate with crews, and work in a very fast-paced and high-risk environment. Because of that, training is extremely important, not just for efficiency, but for safety as well. For this study, I interviewed 8 newly hired ramp agents from the training class 144, who recently completed the updated training program. None of them had previous aviation experience. This made it easy to understand how effective the training really was for beginners. I asked them about their confidence levels, what parts of the training worked best, and what challenges they experienced when transitioning to actual ramp operations. Overall, the results were positive. Most participants said they felt prepared and confident after finishing the training. The biggest strength of the program was the hands-on learning. Many employees said the practical exercises in the ramp up portion of the training helped them understand the job much better than classroom instruction alone. They felt that actually participating in tasks made a huge difference in building confidence. Another thing that stood out was the support from trainers and coworkers. Several participants mentioned that instructors made the environment comfortable and interactive, which helped reduce stress during trainings. At the same time, there were still a few challenges. Some employees felt overwhelmed by the amount of information during class sessions, especially when learning communication procedures such as radio use and pushback coordination. Others suggested adding more real-life simulations, night shift scenarios, and extra practice with equipment. One of the most interesting findings was the trainees felt their feedback actually mattered. Some participants said their suggestions were added into later training exercises, which made the program feel more collaborative and continuously improving. In conclusion, my research shows that the updated training program at United Airlines is effective in preparing new ramp agents for operational duties at SFO. While there is still a learning curve once the employees begin real-world work, the program gives new hires strong foundation in safety, training, and operational skills. Thank you for listening, and it was an honor to be part of the 144 class of United Airlines and serve side by side with these interviewers. And I take everything I gathered about the training into my new job, serving the community here in San Jose for the YMCA's after school program. Thank you for listening and have a great day.